Hi, I'm Christina and this is Tip Tuesday. Now today's tip is going to be about turning very simple and very common cutter into another cutter that you might need but don't want to buy or can't find.
So I'm going to show you how to make two very useful cutters out of this one very cheap David Austin's cutter, a set for £2 I picked up on eBay. These cutters normally are very sturdy, but do be careful because they could sometimes snap. The side that matters is the sharp side, so if they don't turn out to be really pretty on both sides and symmetrical on both sides, don't worry about it. They just need to be flat and symmetrical on the surface on the sharp side. So in case anyone wonders, this is a ranunculus cutter I'm making, and as far as I'm concerned it's coming out quite nicely, and the one before, that prolonged one, could be leaf, and they're quite hard to come by, I found, or you could also use it for dahlia. Thanks for popping in, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share, and I will see you all on Thursday with a new flower tutorial. Bye bye for now.